गोयच्या जेवण खाणाची संस्कृती आणि फेणयेचो प्रसार करपा खातीर पर्यटन खात्यान पणजेच्या बांदोडकर मैदानार स्पिरिट ऑफ गोवा ह्या 3 दिसांच्या महोत्सवाचे आयोजन केला। खात्याचे सचिव जे अशोक कुमार हांच्या हातान ह्या महोत्सवाचे शुक्रार उक्तावण जाले। आडेक्सो खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिक्स।
The moment of excitement, the moment of fun. The Spirit of Goa is going to be inaugurated at the distinguished hands of Sri J. Ashok Kumar, IAS. He is the Secretary of Tourism. In the distinguished presence of Sri Sanjeev Gadkar, Director Tourism, and Sri Nikhil Desai, Managing Director of GTDC. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we all set as Mr. J. Ashok Kumar, the Secretary of Tourism, presses the button to declare this lovely festival, the Spirit of Goa 2019, open. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's put our hands together, everybody.
Where we are hosting the second edition of Spirit of Goa Festival. You all would be knowing that Goa is known for many exotic things apart from the beaches. One such thing is the penny which is derived from the cashew. So this festival focuses upon showcasing the traditional drink which is made by Goans in Goa derived from penny. So that we are showcasing here, and earlier also this has been showcased in the name of other festivals like Coconut and Passion Festival. But since last year it has been rebranded in the name of Spirit of Goa, we have been showcasing. And it's a good opportunity for all the local persons who are involved in this festival to showcase their product. And some of the products have got good imaging and branding at the international level also. So this is an opportunity to showcase their product to the general public, and hopefully we should be able to carry it forward in the subsequent year also.
Disturbing tourism, is it a factor of what?
See, code of conduct was not expected because you all would be knowing that Goa we have various festivals which are by and large held during the scheduled window period, maybe within a month or two here and there. So this Spirit of Goa also we had it last year also, more or less in the same time. This year unfortunately we are in the midst of Goa Lok Sabha election, general election. So as such, code of conduct maybe it has come in the way, but it will not have a major impact as far as the showcasing this product and the spirit of the festival. That will not be affected.
Even as far as permissions and everything.
We have got all the permission. That is the reason why we are having the event here.
Memoria cansa, per la vita orizzonte. Luis Pagazonella, tu giusto correle. Sanando che mi dora me por sorele. Luis Pagazonella, tu giusto correle. E che saborade, sai te zanade. Alla bandiera me la faccia razade.